I got a pair of Ginger sewing scissors and a pair of Klaus pinking shears in from a nice lady in Mississippi. And I'm going to sharpen them up for her, and hopefully I can get them cutting again. All right, the first thing we're going to do is test the pinking shears. So let me get some material out here and see if we can get them to cut. That's not bad. So the pinking shears aren't cutting that bad. I mean, we're going to sharpen them. All right, we got them mounted up, and we're going to see what kind of negative angle it is on there. So that's 0 or so. I don't think it's quite 0. Now, let's see. Let's see about down here. I think that's a little far. I think that's going to be the right angle right there. So we're going to give it a try. Hopefully we get this right. Let's do a real quick pass. There's a couple of teeth not hitting. All right, that's all I'm going to do on that one. That looks real good. It's all the way across the teeth. So we don't want to move that at all. So let's flip it over to the other one. I tried to do the exact number of teeth. It was six valleys between the teeth. So let's just make sure that it is. Oh, how smooth that was. You can hear it and feel it. So just 2 passes is what I want to do. And hopefully that's all we have to do. It is. We're all across all the teeth, all the valleys, so we're good. All right. Let's hope this works. So what I want to do is I want to spread it out and then open it. Spread it out and open it. All right, that feels pretty good. Let's clean all that marker off of there. All right, feels good. Let's get 3 pieces of cloth. Don't make a liar out of me here. Oh man. There you go. I think she said these were 48 years old. 1, 2, 3, 4 pieces of cloth. There you go.